Okay, so now that you've figured out how to use Worksheet A, let's move on to the next one. This is the same information we just saw. I'm going to clean up a couple things here. But here's the nice thing. Let's say you've finished putting in Worksheet A information and you want to see what Worksheet B looks like. I've created a button here for you. It says Copy Values to Worksheet B. Simply click on it, and guess what? Everything, all the work that you've already done, copies right over to the bottom here, Worksheet B. The only thing that's different in Worksheet B is that you have to enter the number of overnights. I've also helped you on the overnights because depending on the number of children you've entered, I've multiplied to calculate the total number of overnights. So for one child, if we're at 124 overnights for plaintiff, it automatically figures out that defendant will have 241. If you want to see exactly the difference, you can also enter 182.5 and it'll enter 182.5 for both folks. If you have two children here instead of one, notice how this amount goes to 606. So child number 2, 2000, and then you'll need to enter again the number of overnights. And when you change the number of overnights, it automatically populates the child support calculation over here in Worksheet B. Just as with Worksheet A, if you want to change the child care and how it's impacted, you simply click on the box and you can change the amount to a different number or 100% of the amount if you like. Also, you'll see the calculator, monthly income calculator on the bottom. You'll see the notes, and again, if you want to reset and start, just hit clear form. Now, as you change the numbers, just like Worksheet A, if I change this to 2451, it changes the bottom line number. If I change this to 25,000, it tells me that income exceeds the guidelines, but it still tells me the net amount of child support that I'm going to owe. It also automatically updates the child support number based on the number of overnights. So as you change each and every number, this calculator tells you immediately how much you're going to owe. That's Worksheet B. The next video will show you some of the other features.